MagicBot. The MagicBot is an innovative autonomous cleaning solution designed to combine advanced robotics with user-friendly functionality. Built with precision sensors and intelligent navigation, MagicBot effortlessly maps and cleans any environment, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Its powerful suction system and multi-surface adaptability make it ideal for hardwood, tiles, and carpets, while its quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance. Equipped with smart scheduling and app connectivity, users can control and monitor cleaning sessions from anywhere. Durable, efficient, and eco-friendly, the MagicBot redefines convenience in home and office cleaning, delivering spotless results with minimal effort. The UMV Unmanned Multi-Purpose Vehicle is a cutting-edge robotic platform engineered for versatility, durability, and performance in challenging environments. Designed for both civilian and tactical applications, UMV features an advanced all-terrain chassis, high-torque electric motors, and adaptive suspension, enabling it to traverse rugged landscapes with ease. Its modular design allows quick integration of various payloads, from surveillance systems and cargo transport to rescue equipment. Equipped with autonomous navigation, obstacle detection, and remote control capabilities, UMV delivers precision, efficiency, and safety in every mission. Ideal for industries, defense, and emergency response, it sets a new standard for unmanned mobility. The Eva Exoskeleton is an innovative wearable technology designed to enhance human strength, endurance, and productivity while reducing the risk of injury. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, Eva provides ergonomic support to the user's back, shoulders, and arms, making it ideal for industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and construction. Its adjustable, intuitive design ensures a comfortable fit and seamless movement, allowing workers to lift, carry, or perform repetitive tasks with less strain. By combining advanced biomechanics with user-centered engineering, the Eva Exoskeleton boosts efficiency, promotes workplace safety, and represents the future of human assistive technology. The XSTO is a state-of-the-art powered stair climber, engineered to make heavy-load transportation safer, faster, and more efficient. Designed with robust construction and advanced electric drive technology, it can effortlessly carry bulky items such as appliances, furniture, or industrial equipment up and down stairs with minimal physical effort. Its intelligent control system ensures smooth operation, precise speed control, and excellent stability on various stair types. The ergonomic handle design and adjustable features provide maximum comfort for the operator, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Compact and portable, the XSTO X12 is an essential solution for logistics, delivery, and maintenance industries seeking enhanced productivity and safety. The WLP Poseidon is a high-performance amphibious vehicle designed to conquer both land and water with unmatched versatility. Built with a durable, corrosion-resistant body and powered by an advanced propulsion system, it seamlessly transitions from rugged terrains to aquatic environments without compromise. Its powerful engine delivers impressive speed on land, while specialized water jets ensure agile maneuverability on rivers, lakes, or coastal waters. The Poseidon's spacious cabin offers comfort and safety, equipped with modern navigation and communication systems for professional or recreational use. Ideal for rescue missions, exploration, or adventure travel, the WLP Poseidon redefines mobility by combining innovation, strength, and adaptability in one exceptional machine. The Truk is a revolutionary mobile fitness solution designed to bring the gym experience anywhere you go. Built on a robust truck platform, it transforms into a fully equipped workout space featuring strength training equipment, cardio machines, and functional fitness tools. Its smart design ensures efficient use of space, while climate control and advanced lighting create a comfortable training environment in any weather. Perfect for corporate wellness programs, outdoor events, or personal training sessions, the Truk promotes health and fitness with unmatched flexibility. Combining mobility, innovation, and convenience, it's redefining how and where people stay active. The Dyson PencilVac is an ultra-slim, high-performance vacuum designed for precision cleaning in hard-to-reach spaces. Combining Dyson's powerful cyclone technology with a sleek, pen-like form, it effortlessly tackles dust, crumbs, and debris from keyboards, car interiors, drawers, and delicate surfaces. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the rechargeable battery delivers consistent suction for extended cleaning sessions. Engineered with advanced filtration, it captures even the finest particles, improving air quality as you clean. Perfect for professionals, tech enthusiasts, and meticulous homeowners, the Dyson PencilVac redefines portable cleaning with elegance, power, and unmatched efficiency. The Glider M is a cutting-edge personal transportation device designed to combine speed, efficiency, and style in a compact form. With its aerodynamic frame and advanced electric propulsion system, it delivers smooth, silent, and eco-friendly rides, both in urban environments and open spaces. Built for agility, the Glider M offers precise handling, quick acceleration, and impressive range on a single charge. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures portability without compromising performance. Perfect for commuters, adventurers, and tech-savvy riders, the Glider M redefines modern mobility, making every journey faster, cleaner, and undeniably more exciting. The ANYMAL-D is an advanced quadruped robot engineered for industrial inspection, research, and autonomous operations in challenging environments. Developed with cutting-edge mobility and AI-driven navigation, it can traverse rough terrain, climb stairs, and maneuver through confined spaces with ease. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, LiDAR, and various sensors, ANYMAL-D performs precise data collection and real-time analysis, reducing the need for human intervention in hazardous areas. Its modular design allows for payload customization, adapting to diverse tasks from oil and gas inspections to disaster response, combining durability, intelligence, and versatility. ANYMAL-D sets a new standard in autonomous robotic performance. The Curb Charger is an innovative electric vehicle charging solution designed to blend seamlessly into urban and residential environments. Installed discreetly along curbsides, it provides convenient, space-efficient charging without obstructing pedestrians or traffic. Engineered for durability and weather resistance, the Curb Charger ensures reliable performance in all conditions. With smart connectivity, it offers real-time monitoring, automated billing, and compatibility with various EV models. This forward-thinking infrastructure not only supports the growing adoption of electric mobility, but also enhances city aesthetics by eliminating bulky charging stations. The Curb Charger redefines public EV charging with efficiency, style, and sustainability. Airsella is a groundbreaking carbon capture system designed to transform COR from the air into valuable products. Using advanced direct air capture technology, Airsella efficiently removes carbon emissions while producing clean, renewable fuels or other useful materials. Compact, scalable, and energy efficient, it can be deployed in various environments, from urban areas to industrial sites, helping reduce greenhouse gas concentrations and combat climate change. Its innovative design integrates seamlessly into existing infrastructure, making sustainability both practical and economically viable. Airsella represents a powerful step toward a carbon-neutral future, where clean air and green energy go hand in hand. The PXO Akira is a cutting-edge electric motorcycle that blends futuristic design with uncompromising performance. Engineered for urban mobility and high-speed adventures, it features a powerful electric drivetrain, delivering instant torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive range. Its aerodynamic bodywork, precision handling, and advanced suspension ensure stability and control on any road. Equipped with smart technology, including digital displays and connectivity features, the PXO Akira redefines what an electric two-wheeler can achieve. Combining eco-friendly efficiency with aggressive styling, it offers riders a thrilling, sustainable, and stylish solution for the future of transportation. Magnetic Pixels is an innovative modular display technology that transforms the way we create and interact with visual art. Each pixel is a small, magnetized LED unit that can be easily attached, removed, or rearranged on a magnetic surface, allowing users to design custom images, animations, or dynamic patterns without complex wiring. With vibrant colors, seamless connectivity, and low energy consumption, magnetic pixels offer endless creative possibilities for advertising, interior decoration, events, and interactive installations. This smart, reconfigurable system merges art and technology, delivering a visually striking, sustainable, and highly customizable display experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.